Hi, Dominic here from Bliz. I'd like to show you the BLIZ Nova, which are built for normal sized faces and are specially designed for skiing. But these are also a brilliant choice for other demanding winter sports where function and comfort are a must. I will be going through the technical properties and also showing you how easy it is to adjust the ski goggles for the best possible fit while you're skiing. All this so that you can focus on your performance in comfort and with confidence.
Single or double lens in unbreakable XPC polycarbonate with 100% UV protection. Anti-fog treated inner lens in acetate. Flexible side clips allow goggles to adapt to fit helmet. Frame ventilation for better internal air circulation. 3 layers of foam on the inside for a soft facial fit. Silicone on straps inside. To adjust the band, grip the ends while pulling them away from each other until you achieve the perfect size.
Thanks very much for watching. Please do follow us through social media, or why not surf into bliz.com and take a look at our wide range of models and colours. Until then, take care of yourselves and remember, stay safe.